here, isa mo yung torque. And kaya siya na torque, resist niya siya sa imong reaction dito. Sa imong reaction dito. So your FBD would become torque T, imong reaction na opposites, imong reaction na opposite. So na kay summation of moments equals 0. So say for example, this is torque A, this is torque B. So you have positive torque minus torque A minus torque B is equals to 0. First equation, equation number 1. Next equation mo is, basta statically determined ka rin ang problem, you have your compatibility equation. Kasi yung compatibility equation na to, so yun sila ng angle rotation. Kaya rigidly attached na sila. So angle rotation mo is dito. Naka-rotation dito. 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 Naka angle 1, angle 2, this one is TL over JG. This one is TL over JG. Remember, this is solid siya. Kaya yung J dito, solid dapat. This is hollow, so yung JD mo dito, hollow. Plug in values to get equation number 2. You have T, you have T, you have T, you have T, you have given, solve, yun lang. Ano lang ang buhay? Hindi lang ang buhay. So that's circular shaft. Ang problem ng circular shaft ay natigin na siya. Natagal mo og shaft, tapos na-input na power, na-frequency, solve ninyo ang stress max or your angle. Or another way around, natagal mo maximum nga angle, natagal mo maximum nga stress, kung saan torque. So, decide problem or kani kung ano mga actual na mga values. Ano lang din na siya ang nagkawa portion ng problem. Okay. Circular shaft. Next would be yung thin-walled na tube. So, thin-walled na tube, ang concept kasi yan is ang thin-walled na tube no, kay tube. Say for example, this one is your tube. Okay, ayan. Ano yung mga thin-walled na tube? Ang i-consider na itong area, since torsion siya, di ba? Ito siya i-twist. Ang area na nag-resist is kanina. Muna siya ang i-analyze na area. Kanina area. Surrounding this one. And since, basta thin-walled tube usually, kailangan siya higher analysis, no? Higher computational analysis. But for our level, ato lang siya i-approximate. Approximation na siya, ikuha na itong average value. Average value exists to an assumption at the center of this thickness niya, di ba? Ito ang wall, tube.